I've got the brand new AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. Let's unbox it together, talk about the new features, and share with you my first impressions. Let's get into it. These are actually the smallest AirPods Apple has ever created. This whole case is just so light, compact. I'm not even gonna lie, I carry everything in a really tiny purse and I usually don't have pockets, so I feel like this size is perfect. So Apple actually tested out so many more ears because everyone's ear shape is different, and apparently these are the most comfortable and can fit in majority of people's ears. This is what they look like. Really small and light. It's a pretty nice fit. It doesn't feel like they're gonna fall out, but also feels like there's still some room for my ear to breathe. Mind you, I also always use the AirPod Pro 2, which have the silicone tip, but these do not. So if you don't like the silicone tip, these might be the AirPods for you. Now I say that because now we have personalized spatial audio, literally everything you need in this tiny compact form. I love how easy it is to connect. Apple devices are just seamless. Connecting, listening mode, press and hold down to either AirPod to switch between noise reduction and transparency. So if you haven't tried that before, transparency mode lets you hear the outside, and then noise reduction, you hear the music better and you don't hear the outdoors. Okay, and we can also change those settings by like holding it down or in our control center. Personalized volume. So you can have personalized volume. This automatically adjusts the volume of media in response to your environment. They also have conversational awareness. So when you start speaking or someone else starts speaking to you when you're listening to music, the AirPods will automatically turn down the volume so you can have that regular interaction with someone without having to pull them out of your ear like that. So we have off, transparency, adaptive, and noise cancellation. We can also turn on and off conversational awareness and spatial audio here. So adaptive is a really good feature, especially if you're walking around by yourself or in like a train or subway and you need to hear the next station call, or you want to feel more safe walking around in your environment. So I would suggest always having the adaptive on if you're outdoors or in an environment other than your home. For not having a silicone tip, I'm very impressed with the noise cancellation on this because you feel like sound could still get in, but it does feel like I'm in my own world, like completely zoned out. And if you're anything like me, I love doing work with the noise cancellation on just because I feel like I'm more in a zone. And I don't even have to have music playing or anything. I just like having quiet. So let's give it a listen. First thing I'm gonna listen to is It's Okay, I'm Okay by Tate McRae. I love this song. So transparency, sounds good. And now noise cancellation.
See you so excited. You got 'em like that.
Obviously you guys can't hear, but my AirPod Pro 2 are really, really good at canceling out any sound, especially on an airplane. So I'm headed to New York tomorrow. So I'm actually gonna try them and test them out. So in my vlog, you guys will see how these perform in an airplane. Another cool feature is that you're able to answer or decline phone calls by just going like this or this. Now I feel like that would be a little weird doing that out in public. People are gonna think I'm shaking my head at them. I don't know, but let's set that up and try it out. So to turn on the head gestures, you go to the settings, click on head gestures, and now it says, move your head up and down or side to side to accept or decline announced calls, and to interact or dismiss announced notifications. Oh, cool. I forgot about that. Also with notifications. So turn up head gestures, yep, and let's try them. So respond to Siri by moving your head, okay. Oh, easy. This setup is so easy and seamless. That's really cool. All right, I'm going to get my sister to call me and see if it works. The influencer videos you don't see. I'm FaceTiming my sister first to tell her to call me. Hey, so I'm filming a video and I need you to call me so I can use Siri and like my head to Pick it up. You won't be in the video, don't worry. You look glamorous. You won't be in it. Okay, just call me back. Bye. Love you. Okay, she's in. Okay, she's calling. It answered. Hey, how are you? Okay, thank you for calling me. It worked. I love you. Okay, bye. Okay, that's gonna be useful if I'm at the gym and I hear someone calling me and I'm like, weights on top of me, I can just go, no. Or if I'm declining a call, I can sit at my desk and go, I don't know. Would you guys use this feature? I feel like it's weird to do that in public, but it would work really well at a gym. Also, when I was talking with people at Apple Park, I learned that say you're on like a treadmill or you're like on a run, the AirPods are intelligent enough to know that when you're running and you get a call, you're not just gonna answer it because your head is bobbing. You'd actually have to do a different motion, like a more intense motion for it to know to pick up the call so you don't just accidentally pick up the call. Now, if you've ever gone on the phone with one of your friends and they have headphones in and you can't really hear them and the audio is really bad, you don't have to worry anymore because we have voice isolation in these AirPods 4. Basically, if you're in a loud environment or a coffee shop or just walking in the streets, or if there's wind and you have your AirPods in, it's going to isolate your voice so that whoever's on the other end of the phone will only hear your voice and it will sound a lot more crisp and clear for them for a better call experience. This little guy has a USB-C, which is useful because everything now is USB-C. That's the only cable I bring around, so I like that. So this doesn't come out of my ear when I go like this, but I'm gonna test them out in the real world in my everyday life and let you guys know what I think. Now for the price of $129, you can get these AirPods without the active noise cancellation, but for $179, you can get them with active noise cancellation. Like I said before, I personally love the active noise cancellation feature and I find myself using that majority of the time, so I'll definitely recommend that version. Now, I definitely need a little case to put this in because I like having a little charm on it or wrist strap because this is so small, I do not want to lose it. If the silicone tip in the Pro versions bother your ears, you just don't like the feeling, I would definitely recommend grabbing a pair of these. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you thought down below in the comments. Apple announced so many cool new products. We got the iPhone 16 lineup, Apple Watch Series 10, new Apple Watch Ultra, and I got all of them. So make sure to stay tuned to my channel, hit subscribe so you guys can be first to watch my reviews, unboxings, and all of that. So hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much for tuning in and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.